When it comes to building a stronger core, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. While traditional core exercises like crunches and sit-ups are great, they don't always provide the challenge your muscles need to grow stronger. If you really want to transform your core and see fast, noticeable results, it's time to think beyond the basics. This is where plank variations come in. Planks are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises you can do, but simply holding the same position day after day won't necessarily lead to the kind of results you're after. To truly build a rock-solid core, you need to add variety. And that's exactly what we're going to dive into today. Planks are so effective because they engage multiple muscle groups at once, especially your core muscles, but that's not all. They also target your shoulders, back, glutes, and legs. What makes planks even better is their versatility. By simply changing the way you position your body, you can shift the focus to different muscle groups. This means that instead of doing endless crunches, which only target a small portion of your core, you can challenge your entire body and increase the overall intensity of your workout. Let's start with the basic plank. While holding a regular plank position is an excellent core exercise, if you want to build a stronger core faster, you need to go beyond this static hold and incorporate some movement. That's why we're going to talk about 5 powerful plank variations that will help you strengthen your core from all angles. Not only will these exercises make your workout more interesting, but they'll also deliver faster results by challenging your body in new ways. Each of these variations will target your abs, obliques, lower back, and shoulders, providing a full-body workout that builds strength, stability, and endurance. The first variation we'll look at is the side plank. This one is a game-changer for targeting your obliques, the muscles on the sides of your torso. These muscles play a crucial role in movements like twisting and rotating, and strengthening them can drastically improve your posture, balance, and mobility. When you perform a side plank, you're not just working your core, you're also engaging your shoulder and glute muscles. By holding the side plank position, you'll build strength in these areas, helping you achieve a more sculpted, well-rounded physique. To take it to the next level, try adding a leg lift or arm raise to your side plank, which will intensify the challenge. Next, we have the plank with shoulder taps. This variation is fantastic for improving your core stability and balance. To perform this move, hold a high plank position and slowly alternate tapping your shoulders with one hand at a time. Sounds simple, right? Well, it's actually quite challenging. The key here is to prevent your hips from swaying side to side as you lift one hand off the ground to tap your shoulder. This movement forces your core to engage even harder, as it stabilizes your body while you work on your coordination and balance. The shoulder tap plank will strengthen your abs, obliques, and shoulders while also improving your overall body control. Another great plank variation is the forearm plank. If you're looking to build endurance, this one's for you. It might look like a basic twist on the regular plank, but there's a reason it's such an effective exercise. By lowering yourself down onto your forearms, you're reducing the amount of support your body has, making the exercise more challenging for your core muscles. The forearm plank engages your abs, glutes, and lower back, which helps to improve your overall posture and spinal alignment. Hold this position for longer periods, and you'll see your endurance and core strength improve over time. This variation is also gentler on your wrists and shoulders, making it a great option for those who experience discomfort with the standard plank. Moving on, we have the plank leg lift. This variation is excellent for targeting the lower part of your core and improving your glute strength. To do a plank leg lift, start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders. From here, slowly lift one leg at a time, keeping your body as stable as possible. This move will work your core muscles while also activating your glutes, hamstrings, and lower back. The added challenge of lifting your leg forces you to stabilize your body and engage your entire core, resulting in a more effective workout. Keep your movements slow and controlled to maximize the benefits of this exercise. Finally, let's talk about the plank jack. If you're looking to combine core training with a little cardio, the plank jack is a great choice. Start in a high plank position and then jump your legs out to the sides, like you would in a jumping jack, before bringing them back together. This explosive movement will elevate your heart rate while still targeting your core, shoulders, and legs. The plank jack is perfect for anyone looking to burn fat while building a stronger core. By adding this variation to your routine, you'll not only improve your strength but also boost your cardiovascular endurance. Now, you might be wondering why these plank variations are so effective. The answer is simple: by adding variety to your workout, you're constantly challenging your muscles in new ways. This prevents your body from getting too comfortable and ensures you're always progressing. Each of these plank variations will target different areas of your core and engage additional muscle groups, allowing you to build a stronger, more stable core faster than with basic planks alone. Plus, they'll help you develop balance, endurance, and overall strength, making them perfect for athletes, beginners, or anyone looking to improve their fitness level. When you incorporate these 5 plank variations into your workout routine, you'll not only see faster results, but you'll also feel more confident in your movements. A strong core is essential for everything from lifting heavy objects to running, jumping, and even just sitting up straight. The stronger your core, the more stable and efficient your body becomes. So, whether you're looking to improve your athletic performance, enhance your posture, or simply build a more toned midsection, these plank variations are the perfect addition to your fitness routine. Remember, consistency is key. Start by incorporating these variations into your workouts 2 to 3 times a week, and gradually increase the duration and intensity as your core strength improves. Stick with it, and in no time, you'll notice a difference in your core strength, posture, and overall stability. So, are you ready to challenge your body and build a stronger core faster? Let's get started with these 5 plank variations, and watch your strength skyrocket.